In this Argos support video, we will show you what to do if your PlayStation controller is suffering from stick drift. Start by turning the PlayStation console off by scrolling along to the power icon on the home screen. Press X, scroll to turn off and press X. Firstly, lightly dampen an earbud with isopropyl alcohol, then clean around both stick bases. Next, use compressed air to clean around the stick bases. Allow the controller 10 to 15 minutes to fully dry. Next, rotate each thumbstick clockwise, then counterclockwise for 6 full rotations. Then press each stick down until you hear a click and hold for 10 seconds. Next, we recommend resetting your controller. Locate the reset button on the underside of the controller. Press and hold the button down for 5 seconds. We also recommend checking for any updates for your controller if you have a PlayStation 5. From the home screen, scroll to and select Settings. Scroll down to and select Accessories. Scroll down to and select Controller. Scroll down to DualSense wireless controller device software. If there is an update, follow the on-screen instructions. For further support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.